Hi, so this is your second time here, right? You were in a car accident before. Was it 3 years ago or 4 years ago?
It was 4 years ago in 2011.
Yeah, you came with your family. Now you went to work and what was it? 18-wheeler rig?
Yes, it was an 18-wheeler rig that hit me from the front.
And he was trying to back out and he didn't see you?
Yeah, he was backing up. I honked, I yelled, I was backing up doing 3 actions all at once, and he hit me.
And what was it hurting you when you came in?
I had migraines, my neck, my shoulders, and my upper back and my mid back.
Okay. And this is your third visit, right?
Yes.
So you already had 2 sessions and this is your third one. What's your percentage of improvement that you had so far?
I say improvement is 20%. It's improving little by little. But when I first got here, I couldn't move my neck, but now I can move my neck more.
Yeah, like just keep on going, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And the gal, is she torturing you or she's doing a good job?
She's doing a great job.
All right, let's do an adjustment and then go from there. Okay, left side is jumped. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. Line the stomach face down, please. Take a deep breath in. Out. Breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Go on your side, face me, please.
And then
That was a big one.
yes.
Let's adjust your lumbar spine. Okay. Okay, go ahead, line your side face me. Okay. Keep this leg straight. Okay. Relax your shoulder. That was a big one.
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna go see Gail. Okay?
Yes.
For massage. Okay.